Thank you so much. Sir, but just say, so, but the NCP is doing very well, sir. Even better than Congress.
The Congress NCP front is doing well. What we have done, particularly we are getting extremely good response in rural Maharashtra. Of course, in urban Maharashtra also we are getting good response, but rural we are getting much more response. And by and large, the farming community seems to be supporting this front because of the policies which Dr. Manmohan Singh's government has implemented at national level, and Congress NCP government has executed at the state level, seems to be appreciated by the voters. And I think there should not be any problem to form government.
So the NCP by itself also has beaten expectations, because many were saying this will be a fight for survival for the NCP.
I was just reading in the newspaper and watching on television channels, but that was not the fact. We have very strong base. We have a team of youngsters, and they are performing well. Not only performing well, but what information I got about their votes and voting percentage, it's very, very impressive.
Sir, do you think now in retrospect that perhaps you should have contested many more seats, Congress should have conceded many more seats to the NCP?
No, that time you see, our performance in Lok Sabha was not up to the mark, and that's why we had to compromise. But anyhow, we have proved our mettle, and I hope at least media will be a little more sympathetic towards us.
What is the result of after general elections? You must have taken some steps, which is why you're doing much better than that.
Yeah, I have taken personal interest right from selection, you see, campaigning everywhere, and I infuse my younger team.
Yeah.
And I think it is as expected.
So there are many rebel candidates from the NCP itself who may be winning. Are you going to be looking at them? Because there will be no ideological differences, as it were.
Basically, I don't see that rebel candidates are winning, barring very, very few constituencies. But generally, official candidates are performing well.
There were many more in NCP.
MNS is doing well. Some 10 seats, it's ahead in some 10 seats, sir.
That is as expected. 10-12 seats they will get. That was our expectation.
Sir, आपने younger force की बात की. What is, I mean, how do you mean, sir? Do you see Gen X taking over everywhere? You also, in some ways, talked about stepping down. Can you elaborate?
No, basically, we are encouraging younger generation. In my last government, my ministers from NCP, their age group was below 40.
Right.
And we would like to encourage younger generation. I think our generation, it is our responsibility to encourage new leadership and give them more opportunities, and that is paying dividend to us.
So should Mr. Chavan continue as the Chief Minister?
That is a Congress party will decide.
So you made the point yesterday that the Congress, because they fought in more number of seats, they will be possibly winning more seats, and therefore the Chief Ministerial contender should be from the Congress?
We want to run the government very smoothly, and we don't want to create any problem from our side.
Right.
पवार साहब, अब जो स्थिति साफ आ रही है कि आप लोग फिर से सत्ता में आ रहे हैं महाराष्ट्र में खासतौर से, तो उसको देखते हुए जो मुख्यमंत्री पद, आपने कल भी ऐसा कहा है कि मुख्यमंत्री पद के लिए आपकी दावेदारी नहीं होगी, अब जिस तरह के संकेत आए हैं उसमें कोई परिवर्तन है आपकी?
कोई परिवर्तन नहीं, हमें वहाँ स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट चाहिए, रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड गवर्नमेंट चाहिए, और सभी हम दोनों पार्टी में बड़े अच्छे रिश्ते चाहिए, इसलिए हम इसमें कोई इंसिस्ट करने वाले नहीं है. लेट कांग्रेस डिसाइड देयर ओन नॉमिनी.
And NCP will be asking for the deputy CM's post again, sir?
No, that is understanding that, that nothing new with that.
Tuba.com